It's so exciting. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to another day of my 31 days of Halloween. Today's video is sponsored by MODA brushes. I'm going to be sharing with you guys every single brush that I used, how I used it, what brush it is, and all of that fun stuff. I love MODA brushes so much, and I'm so excited to be collaborating with them throughout the month of October on a couple of my 31 days of Halloween videos. So today's look is this very, I like to say it's like a runway floral goddess, and that is what I got from it. I was inspired by this picture, which I will show you guys right here. I found this picture just on Google, so I don't know who the artist is or anything like that. If you guys do, please comment them below, but that is where I got my inspiration from for this look. We're not gonna blab too much in this intro, but if you guys would like to see how I got this look and all of the brushes that I used to create it, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off with my primers. I'm going to be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer and the Buxom Illuminating Primer. For foundation, I'm going to be applying the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Foundation. I have two colors that I'm going to mix together, the 302 Golden Honey and 200 Soft Beige. I'm going to be applying this foundation with the Royal MODA Complexion brush. I'm going to just blend this all over my face. I love this brush because it's super dense right here at the top, and it doesn't let any of my foundation soak into the brush, but it really blends it out on my skin. Then I'm going to apply my concealer as I always do. This is the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I'm then going to set my whole face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. I'm going to be using two brushes for this part. I'm going to be first using the MODA diffuser brush underneath my eyes and in all the other highlight areas of my face. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the MODA powder brush. Then I'm going to bronze up the face with the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Bronzer. I'm going to be using the Royal & Langnickel OMNIA BOM 34 domed brush for my bronzer. And I really like this brush when I want like a really deep and very contoured look. And it really buffs everything around my face beautifully. So we're going to do things a little bit differently in this video because I kind of know the direction that I want to take, but I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to execute it. Wow. That was a lot of great words. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually jump to the part where I put flowers on my face. So we're going to go ahead and take these off. I'm going to fluff up my hair a little bit. And I'm going to put this beautiful crown on that I made all myself. You guys can see a DIY on this crown right here coming soon in a future Halloween video. So I'm just gonna put that on so I know where I'm gonna be putting my makeup. I'm gonna put these clips back on so we don't get our hair in the way. So I'm gonna put on this Milk Makeup Eye Pigment in the color Hotel Lobby, and I'm going to apply this in the highlight areas of my cheeks and all over my forehead. I also have a couple of Stila glitters and a Touch and Soul glitter that I'm gonna apply to the same areas. And I'm gonna apply these flowers with some lash glue, or you can use spirit gum, but I'm gonna use lash glue this time because I've used this specific spirit gum before and nothing sticks to it. So now I've got most of the flowers glued to my face. I'm gonna take these two little guys right here. These are from Suva Beauty. They're the Hydra FX paints. And I'm going to spray just a little setting spray from NYX, the Dewy Setting Spray. And I'm going to apply them in random spots around my face just to kind of fill in any of the areas that I missed. I'm gonna use the MODA Smoky Eye brush to do this. This is gonna help me kind of smudge the color into the areas that I wanted to, because I want it to blend really, really nicely and almost look like it is a melting flower mask. I'm going to take my pointed liner brush from MODA and I'm just going to create kind of like little freckles across the nose. I'm then going to take my Makeup Forever Cream Paint Flash Color Palette. I'm going to be using the yellow as well as the pink. I'm going to use the yellow on its own and then I'm going to mix the pink a little bit with a white. So now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I know, we're kind of all over the place, but it's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. The first color I'm gonna be jumping into is this one right here. I'm using the MODA crease brush to blend this color into my crease. This brush is the perfect size to kind of diffuse any transition color. I'm using the MODA crease brush to pack on any pigmented colors on my lid, and then we're gonna go back to the blending brush and blend everything out. I'm jumping into the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette and I'm going to be using that mustard yellow to help blend this out. I continue to use the crease brush from MODA brushes. Then I'm jumping into this palette from Alamar Cosmetics and I'm going to be using the Bright Berry Red at the bottom. I'm using the Smoky Eye brush to pack this color on the inner and outer corners. I'm then going to use the Goldilocks pigment from Sugar Pill and I'm going to apply this to the center of my lid. I'm using the MODA Brush Eye Shader brush to apply this. This brush is just a little bit denser so that I can really pack on that color so it's perfect and very, very bright gold. I'm going to apply some of the Peachy Sheen glitter from Stila on the lid just so that we can kind of bring this whole look together. I'm then going to take the Micro Glow brush from MODA brushes and I'm going to apply this to the inner corners and the brow bone. The shape of this brush is so unique and really, really gets in places where other brushes can't. I'm going to use my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. For lashes, I'm going to apply these lashes from Feline Lashes. This is their kitten collection. Okay guys, so my lashes are on. I actually went ahead and I tried out this lip. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the pink that we used on our eyes and I just used the MODA blending brush to blend it in the center. And then tap it off a little bit and blend it out. Almost like that, like Tim Burton kind of look. And then I use a little bit of the yellow. I'm using the MODA Highlight and Glow brush. I'm just going to contour my neck and my décolleté with the colors that we used on our eyes and lips. Jumping back to the lips, I'm adding a little bit of this Urban Decay gloss right in the center. This is the color SPL. Then for the rest of the chest, I'm going to take all of these dots that I put all over my face and I'm going to have them kind of scattered around my chest as well because I feel like it's like so much and then nothing. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to please tag me if you recreate this makeup or any of my makeups whatsoever. I would absolutely love to see them. Thank you so much to MODA Brush for sponsoring this video. Make sure that if you are going to go and purchase any of these brushes that you use my code JULIA to save you some MODA. You guys know I don't have tons of codes, so I only have ones for brands that I love and care about. And I care about this one, and I literally use their brushes in almost every single video. But that's all I have for today. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel right here and check out all of my other Halloween videos and fun tutorials on the side. Thanks guys, love you, see you tomorrow.